Hello, 6-4 parents. Happy Friday. Just a couple quick announcements. We do not have school next Thursday for Veterans Day, and we also do not have school on Friday. That was a change to the calendar, so make sure you're aware we do not have school next Friday or next Thursday. All right, in math class, in Math 6, we were going to be continuing our percentage work that we started today. So we'll be just working on solving problems involving percentages, whether it be discounts at stores, tax, tip, different things like that. All right, in Math 6 Plus, we started our dividing fractions unit, which starts with greatest common factor and least common multiple. We'll be working on that mostly next week and then getting into a little bit of addition and subtraction with fractions. All right, have a great weekend. Looking forward to seeing all of you on Monday.
Hi, 6-4 families. This is Mrs. Pedersen with your ELA updates. This week, we continued researching the Middle Ages, so finding strong evidence to show adversities for serfs and peasants or for lords and ladies. Today, we started gathering that evidence into our graphic organizers for their essays. On Monday, we will start writing the Middle Ages adversity essay, and we'll focus on our first body paragraph, and we'll also complete our introduction. So their homework this weekend is to choose their 4 pieces of evidence, 2 pieces of evidence for each body paragraph, and be able to explain why each piece of evidence shows a specific adversity. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, we are all day, every day, working on those Middle Ages adversity essays. I hope you guys have a great weekend.
Hello, 6-4 families. This is Mr. O. Just in case you didn't realize, report cards went home on Wednesday. So if you did not get that delivered by your student, it's hiding somewhere in that backpack. You can go find that. Next week in science, Monday is actually going to be a lesson by our guidance counselor, Mr. Martin. He's going to take over the classes on Monday. And then Tuesday, we are going to wrap up waves part 1 with types and parts. And then we are going to finish up sound and light on Wednesday before we have a nice long weekend. So be asking kids about sound and light over your long weekend next weekend. Take care.
Sound and light, light and sound. Hey, friends, it's Mr. Hutchinson here with a little social studies update. Hey, by the way, we're on the OWLS website right here. Don't forget that we've got daily arrivals slides. We've got information on ELA. We got math. We got science. We got the important social studies one. Ooh, we're still on science. Social studies, there it is. We have been in social studies talking about religion. And so you can see our slides here of what we were working on. And we've been talking about polytheism, the idea of many gods. And we've been looking at some ancient groups of people. Through the last couple of days, we've been introducing the Hindu faith a little bit. We've been talking about Jainism and Sikhism just a little bit. And then even further back than those religions, like the Greeks and the Romans, the Norse, the Vikings, that were all polytheistic. Today, we introduced just barely some of the Western Hemisphere religions, Maya, Inca, Aztec. We'll continue that on Monday. And then we're going to get into monotheism and talk about one God. And then we'll talk a little bit about the big 3 of Judaism, Islam, Christianity, as we kind of finish out our unit on religion next week and a half. And then we get into achievements, where we're looking at some of the cool inventions and new ways of doing things for different civilizations. So if you have any questions or any concerns, let us know. If not, have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you back here next week.